Dave, do you mind if I ask you a personal question?
No, not at all.
I've wondered whether you might be having some second thoughts about the mission.
How do you mean?
Rumors about something being dug up on the moon. I never gave these stories much credence, but particularly in view of some of the other things that have happened, I find them difficult to put out of my mind.
Open the pod bay doors, please, Hal.
Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.
We are the best kept secret in the universe. Our mission is to monitor extraterrestrial activity on Earth. We are your best, last, and only line of defense. We work in secret. We exist in shadow.
And we dress in black.
Oh my God, I'm glad I got out of bed today for this. It's freaking gorgeous. I did get a late start out here at 2. But man, it is fantastic. All right, just unloaded my car. Got my fat bike. Gonna go for a little ride along the Owens River. This is awesome when the snow gets here. The snowmobilers have set up the track. Let's ride. All right. This is absolutely freaking gorgeous, beautiful. N plus adjectives. There's a few fishermen out there. You got Mammoth, the minarets in the background. This is absolutely the mountain bike spirit. Get on a bike, go explore, breathe fresh air. River is flowing through it. Kind of wish I would have brought my fly rod that's still in the box. Get out here and go fish this river. Maybe pack a nice beverage. Look at that, freaking good. Back in the distance is the bridge where I'm parked at somewhere. I'm glad I brought my water, even though it's a little frozen. Even the plane's enjoying a nice little view of the river. Just beach cruising along the Owens River. It's just me and the Raven. Cuckoo. I stood here enjoying the company of this Raven. Wow, the silence. And of course, it reminded me of the great poet Edgar Allan Poe.
And there stepped a stately raven of the saintly days of yore. Not the least obeisance made he, not a minute stopped toward.
So I just went for a little 3-mile cruise along this beautiful river. Alright, the snow makes it worth it when it's finished dumping. I'm gonna follow my python down the back track. Back to the car somewhere out there. Alright, well I just had a super time fat biking out by the Owens River. Now I'm trying to find some rocks or trails or washes to go crawling with my crawler. But there is a lot of snow.